kitchen garden and converting kitchen waste into compost is my passion. I have been doing it now for the last 4 years. Let me demonstrate to you how to do the kitchen waste compost. To start or to do the compost, what you require is a bin or a drum. I generally use a drum of this size. This is good enough for a family of 4, and I generate kitchen waste of about 1.5 kgs, 1 to 1.5 kgs every day. You can of course use a smaller drum if in case your waste is less. What you need to do is this drum you need to punch holes all around here. You need to punch holes at various locations throughout the drum, even on the top, even in the bottom. This is basically done to ensure that the material inside does not stay damp, and then there is air circulation. Be careful not to punch holes more bigger than this, if otherwise insects can get into this and cause problems for you later on. Now we'll start the process of composting. What you first need to do is prepare the base in the drum. You need to use these cardboard pieces, cut them into as small pieces as possible. Put about 4 inches of this inside the drum. There are holes below. You can put about these pieces for about approximately 4 inches. Spread it across, and then to this you need to add leaves, dry smashed leaves. You smash it as much as possible to smaller bits. Cover it up with that. Now I am adding coco peat to this particular mixture of leaves and the cardboard. Now this actually is added so that the vegetables are kept dry. The waste vegetables are kept dry. This absorbs the dryness, moisture in the vegetables. Cardboard pieces and dry leaves are called as browns. This you need to keep adding each time you add vegetable. Once the base is ready, we need to add microbes to this. Either you can add the bioenzyme, or you can even add the sour buttermilk or curds, which will introduce microbes into this particular bin. And then you can put the greens, spread it across. Kitchen waste, you try to add it in smaller sizes. In fact, even non-vegetarian food can be added. Only thing, make sure that it doesn't contain bones, and then those pieces are as small as possible. Once the base is fully covered with the greens, in my field normally it takes 3 days for the kitchen waste to cover the base. After that, you need to add browns. So I mix the coco peat and I just spread it across. Ensure that the entire green is fully covered with the coco peat. I can use some more and fill up the entire. Let me cover the vegetable waste properly by the browns. For the brown, use anything, either the cardboard pieces or the dried leaves or even the coco peat. Dried leaves, of course, you need to accumulate it whenever it is available. Then smash it into small pieces and add it. And once this barrel is filled like this, you need to cover it up with the lid. Here, the lid also has holes. Okay, this is a bin which I have just completed before taking up the new one. Now I have covered this and left it. This will take approximately 30 to 45 days to convert into the manure. Of course, you can take a call, open and take a call. Like, see, this is a ready compost, and there are some more parts yet to be decomposed. This will take another probably 10 days time, and after that, if it is there, now you see this is a mango seed which has come here. You can add it to the next manure, or you can even take it out. So certain parts which are still not yet decomposed, you can take it out and put it in the next bin. See, this is the one. This is actually called as black gold, and very well received by the plants. It gets all the required nutrients for the plant, and this can very easily be done at home. The manure is ready. This is the color it will get. This is the color you have to see, and then you get a smell, sort of a rainy smell when you try to smell it. Otherwise, you don't get any stink out of this. As the process of manuring starts, there will be certain discharge from the kitchen waste which comes out from in the bottom, which is a lichat, and to collect that we put a tray, and this once it is filled, you can use it again for the plants. It's a very good manure, very good nutrient for the plants, and basically the idea of providing the holes is the excess wetness what is there in the vegetable waste will come down. For your information, this particular drum along with the stand, I got it from Vasuki Kitchens, who prepares this, and it's readily available. Or you can also design this. It's a very, very simple design. It's a local jugaad you can do and also use it. Friends, whatever I demonstrated now was purely out of my experience. You can try it out and refer this to like-minded people. Basically we are trying to convert the kitchen waste into good manure, which otherwise will go as waste down the drain. Thank you.